and he was called Rambo. The sheriff thought he looked like a bum. Oh, he was unwelcome. They arrested Rambo, and when they tortured him, he overpowered them. They underestimated Rambo. He fought so hard, he fought in Vietnam. He got so used to killing Viet Cong. When he returned, protesters said, "You're wrong." So he resented them. Inside a rat-filled cave, he could not eat or shave. Unhygienic Rambo, he never smiled. Oh no, he always frowned. Richard Crenna talked him down. Sensitive Rambo. He's not afraid, he'll take on any man. Don't think he can't, because I know he can. Rambo's prepared, he's always got a plan. Next stop, Afghanistan. It's true, he risked his life for you. He risked his life for you. He risked his life for. He risked his life for you. He risked his life for you. He risked his life. He had a knife and wore a red headband, and I'm his biggest fan.